guys, Derek here from Arcadia Rug Spa, and today I'm just going to show you how we take out certain stains. We don't know what this stain is. Sharon wants to just pan down onto the stain. As you can see, it's quite a big stain. Now we've washed this rug, we'll give it a thorough rush, don't know what I'm saying there, a thorough wash under water, scrub front and back, spun, everything that we normally do. And this stain has remained, and quite a lot of stains do. And there's quite a lot of people out there that will say, oh, it's not going to come out, it's part of the furniture sort of thing now, and there's no way you can get it out. Well, there is. Certain chemicals that we use, and we use them using syringes so that we can be a little bit more precise. So Sharon will go down now, we'll just show you, we'll just take this little section out here, and we just like to be very precise when we take these stains out. As you can see, it's slowly disappearing. We'll carry on with that now. Take the rest out, and then we'll show you the before and after in the video. Just show you some of the things that we can do. Cheers.